sport is not always what you see. It's all sometimes there's always history. And we came from a very sad or disappointing history that we didn't qualify. We had 2 days to prepare. So the first day we could not train, and yesterday we could talk about Persija and the way they play and where are the opportunities, and we could train it. And I think if you can lift up in 3 days, but it's not that we are disappointed, or I think the players, especially the players, they had to deal with it, and then you have to stand up. I think that was for us even more important than the 1-1. The flexibility, the team spirit. At these moments you have to show team spirit, how strong you are, and I think they did. I think we played a very good game. I think we have the courage to play football. We knew where the weak points were. We knew that Noah would be free on the side because Persija play with a right back, offensive right back. So even we could have used more, but once again we had 2 days to prepare, and we played on that side every time, and we were, I think, very dangerous. Of course, then it's the penalty, but that has at the end for me, that has nothing to do with my end feeling, whatever the result was. I saw a team that came back. I saw a team that was very disciplined. I saw a team with a plan, and I compliment them also in the dressing room, because I think that's what sport about. It's about team, and that most of the time the way you win the games. And I think we won not a game, but for me they won.
Oke, olahraga bukan hanya selalu dilihat apa yang bisa dilihat, tetapi ada juga sejarah, dan kami datang dari sejarah yang jelek. Kemarin kita habis tereliminasi dan bisa saja kita tidak semangat dalam hal seperti itu. Dan bicara soal Persija baru bisa dilihat kemarin. Kita bisa lihat peluangnya di mana, terus kita bisa mulai latihan itu baru kemarin, dan akhirnya kita bisa bangkit setelah 3 hari. Pemain khususnya, jadi pelatih sangat senang dengan hal itu, dan lebih penting itu daripada skor 1-1. Dan kalau kita lihat tim kita Dewa United, kita punya semangat, kita main bagus, kita berani main bola. Dan soal pertandingan tadi kita tahu Noah bakal banyak free, apalagi Persija main di bek kanan tinggi. Dan kita coba main di situ, dan kita lebih berbahaya pada pertandingan kali ini. Walaupun hasilnya tadi ada penalti, tapi itu nggak ada hubungannya dengan apa yang dia rasakan. Yang penting dia lihat di lapangan tadi, dilihat ada tim yang disiplin, ada tim yang punya plan, dan dia sudah kasih pujian juga soal ini ke pemain. Dan soal olahraga kadang-kadang itu tentang tim, dan juga kadang-kadang juga soal dengan cara bermain. Intinya dia banggalah dengan Dewa United, walaupun hasilnya imbang, tetapi dia rasa kita yang menang tadi.
I talk so long.
Realmente foi jogo muito difícil, né? Tanto para nós quanto para eles. Como o coach falou, né? A gente teve pouco tempo para se preparar, 2 dias apenas. Então, devido a isso, né? E com a carga de jogos que a gente teve, realmente era um jogo mais difícil tanto para a gente, que teve pouco tempo para se preparar, e o acúmulo de jogos, né? Que a gente veio disputando. Então foi um jogo realmente difícil a respeito disso. Eu sei que o time do PSG é um time com bastante jogadores qualificados, né, jogadores de boa qualidade, então sabemos que ia ser um bom jogo, tanto quanto o nosso time quanto deles tinham jogadores de boa qualidade.
Oke, kalau bisa bilang soal pertandingan tadi, itu pertandingan yang sulit untuk kedua tim, buat mereka dan juga buat kita. Apalagi buat kita nih, cuma ada 2 hari persiapan. Dan akhirnya kita tahu tadi pertandingannya sulit, apalagi persiapan cuma 2 hari. Dan semoga penonton yang datang bisa menikmati pertandingan hari ini. Dia respect pada pertandingan hari ini. Dia tahu gamenya sulit. Oleh karena itu dia tahu juga Persija punya pemain yang berkualitas, kita juga punya pemain berkualitas. Jadi akhirnya bisa menunjukkan permainan yang berkualitas.